In this beginner's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100 on Awin. So if you're just starting out on Awin and affiliate marketing and you feel a little lost, well, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how you're going to get started, make your first money and first commissions. So let's just get into it right here with this beginner's guide. So let's first talk about what Awin is and how it's interesting. So Awin is a big affiliate network where there's a lot of content creators and a lot of brands, and basically they are like the middleman connecting all of that. And then that is what you see when you log into Awin. There's also other programs that is similar to Awin. There's Impact, and there's also Partner Stack and many other affiliate networks like that. But Awin is one of the major players out there, and they have a lot of great brands and I guess also content creators. And because of that, there's a lot of potential to make money using Awin. So let's just get into it right here and create your account on Awin. So the first thing you do is to go to Awin's website, and then here you can see your growth, your way, and you can read some things. They have advertisers, creators, and influencers, affiliate partners, agencies, and all of that. We're just gonna go here where it says get started, and then it's gonna ask if you're an advertiser, so like a brand, or if you are a content creator or influencer. And we are content creators. We say explore solutions. And then you're gonna come to here a separate landing page where you'll see that it says share what you love and get paid for it. And then here you can see it says there's more than 30,000 brands on Awin, so there's like a lot. That's also one of the downsides because there's so many companies there, so it can be a little overwhelming. But you can see down here, there's companies such as Booking.com, Dyson, Etsy, and so many other ones. But we're just gonna go here to say start earning now. Then it's gonna go scroll down, and then you can choose to log in either with Instagram. So if you're more like an Instagrammer or whatever, well then that can make sense. But on the other hand, if you are, let's say, similar to me, you make YouTube or you also have a blog or whatever other thing, well then you just choose the other one over here to the right, and then you just say start earning now. And when you get here, you'll see there is like a sign up form, so you need to go through some steps. I also made other videos where I go more in detail with every single step here, but basically it's just some information about you, your company, your address, what you're gonna work on, if it's gonna be, are you gonna promote on a blog or YouTube or somewhere else. So you just go through that. It takes, I don't know, 5 minutes. It doesn't really take long. Again, you can check out this video where I go through the process. That is it. You sign up for that, and then you should get approved within a few days. This shouldn't really be the big problems. I didn't experience any problems when I signed up. But basically, that's all you have to do to create an account for Awin. After you get approved, you're able to apply for different companies to apply and ask if they want to work with you and basically start getting paid for your work. So now let's imagine that you got access to the Awin dashboard. Basically, what you need to do now is to just start looking around through the different programs and see if there is any that you think would make sense for you to work with. And the challenge here is that Awin have so many different brands in there, so it can be a little overwhelming, it can be a little difficult to navigate and find the right programs. One thing I would recommend you to do is to first, here on the homepage, to go down, and then you can see there is advertisers of the month, offer of the week, editor's pick, featured promotions, and then also there's like some new advertisers and all. But sometimes here you'll actually find some interesting companies that is highlighted, you know, some bigger companies, because again, on Awin there's also many smaller local companies that might not fit your audience, but that's one good place to start. And then the next thing you want to do is to go to advertisers, and then you go to partner recommendations. So this one's actually also a good place to go because this is other programs that is highlighted. As an example of right now when I shoot this video, I can see there is something here with Nike, there's also Alibaba, there is Sky, there is many other companies here. And again, these are often a little bigger companies that have commissions or performing well. At least that's my experience, that have been a good way to do it. And then of course there is the more classic traditional way, and that is to go to advertisers and then join programs. And then when you get here, you have all the different programs there is. And the important thing here is to start in the left side, actually more or less at the bottom, where you start to filter down. And the first thing you want to do is to go to where it says payment status. So you choose green ideally, but you can also choose amber. This way you only see companies that are able to pay basically, because there's also a lot of companies that is still there, but they are not, they have problems with paying or whatever. So those companies are not really interesting for you to apply for or use more energy on. But basically, so you choose the green and the amber. Then you have product feed. So product feed is, let's say you want to promote consumer products. Then maybe Apple have a product feed where they can give you all the information about all the different products, maybe through an API or CSV file or something. And this can be relevant if, let's say, you have a blog or something and you want to promote a lot and you just get a commission for it, then that could be interesting. On the other hand, if you're like a YouTuber or you want to focus on few individual services or products, well, then this is maybe not so relevant. So it can also be a good idea to either say yes or no, depending on what kind of content or companies you want to work with, basically. Then the next thing you want to do is, of course, to filter down for the country or the region that you are working in. So again, you can narrow it down to just be the US or some specific country in Europe or in Latin America or whatever. And again, also under the sectors, there's many, if you go to, let's say, finance, insurance, there's a lot more options under that one. So then you could say credit cards. And so this way you're actually able to narrow down and you kind of see a lot less options versus in the beginning where there's just like thousands and thousands of companies. But basically when you've done that, you will see that there's a lot less options. And then the next thing that is important is, of course, to understand the different numbers and metrics. Because now let's imagine you have narrowed down. So you can see one example here where I narrowed down. So there's a lot less companies now. And then what is important here is to look at the conversion rate. So what that means is that if 100 people clicks your link, how many converts? So let's say if it's 5%, well then if you have 100 clicks, well then maybe there's 5 people that would actually go ahead and buy the service. Then approval rate is just whether or not they approve you when you apply for the program. And then the EPC is super important. You can see here how it's calculated. So this is a really important number to understand because this has a really big impact on how much money you're gonna make from your new brand that you're gonna work with. So if it's really low, run away. If it's really high, that is a really good thing, basically. Again, payment status is the thing I talked about before. There's payment time, so that's how much time for them to pay. And then as I said, the product feed. And then there's when they started using Awin. And basically you just go ahead and say join. So that's 3 ways to find programs you want to work with. But there's also other ways you can do this. One is to look at maybe your competitors. So if there's other people in your space, you can check out their affiliate links. And maybe they use Awin and maybe they use one specific company because that company actually converts. So that can also be a good way to check out. Another thing that is really new that I started doing is to use Claude Cowork for this. So basically I have Claude Cowork do a lot of the work for me, go and analyze the different companies that is there. But also I use Claude Chrome. So basically Claude goes in to Awin as an example, navigates around, joins some of the programs. So basically it does the work for me. And the good thing is that you can also schedule this work. So let's say every week, Claude can go ahead, apply for new programs, follow up on some things, tell me what's working, what is not working. That is not something you need to do right away, but it can actually help a lot with you finding good programs, following up, and actually just take more action, basically. So that's the ways to find programs. So the next thing is now to start actually making some money. So now let's imagine that you found the company you want to work with. And then what you do is you go ahead and you say join, and then sometimes you'll have a few questions there, and then in most cases they will approve you if you fill out the right information. But then the next thing you do is that you take the link from the brand when you're approved, and then you can use this link wherever you want, basically. So I can give you a few examples from my YouTube video. So you get one here with, I think it's Busy, where I have an affiliate link. I also have one with Taylor Brands. And these are then in the description of my YouTube videos, basically. And I track this and I can see sometimes it generates some sales doing this. So it's actually really easy to include that link. And then afterwards you can go in, check the statistics, check how many links, how many conversions. You get all the numbers and information that you need so you can track if it actually performs or not. And then the last page is to get paid. So when you start getting your first sales and hopefully these first $100, well, then you can go in and actually have them paid out to you. And really it doesn't have to take long to make $100 using Awin. If you make great content, let's say on YouTube or somewhere else you have traffic, it is possible to make some conversions pretty fast. When I started 1 year ago, I started making $100 the first month, then 200, then 300, then 400, and then now it's a lot higher today. I also use Partner Stack and Impact, and I made other videos where I talk about that and how I make that money from these different campaigns and all. Check those videos out if you want to know more about affiliate marketing. But I hope this gave you some insight and a better understanding of how you can start making money now. But of course, in the end, it's really important you make content that helps people that can convert. That is just as important as finding the right companies on these affiliate networks. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. That'll help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.